today's Connect the Dot drawing video are tulips in a vase. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below to follow along with me, get your art supplies, and let's draw, everyone! So with your Sharpie, you're going to start here at number 1, and we're going to work on the vase first. And you're just going to follow the lines. And you're just going to follow and make nice smooth curves. And stop at 15. Then we're going to do a curve back to 1 through 16. I'm going to work backwards because this way is easy for me to pull my pen instead of pushing it. There's your vase. Now I'm going to start on this flower first, and we're going to start at A. And we're going to come in a little bit, and then out, B, C, D, and curving up to F, and we're going to stop there. Because here, what I want you to do is bump out to H. Come back in to I, bumping out to J, going on to K, and then we're going to go to L, M, and back to A like this. Let's work on the details on this flower first. So what I want you to do is do a point about there, and we're going to draw a line and connect back to F like this. And now I want you to curve downwards and stop between C and D right about there. And now we're going to go from A and M, this line right here, and we're going to continue along and stop at the one we just made. There. Now, here, okay, we're going to just extend these lines just like this to make our petals. There you go. Now let's work on the middle flower. So A, B, C to D like that. And you know what? I'm going to go A through N and continue to D. We're going to connect and do this one petal right now. Okay, let's continue on from D, E, F, curving in and up to G to a point. And now through H, you're going to curve down and in, and we're going to connect back to D again. Now let's keep on going. So we're going to go from H to I to J. And from K, you can go up to K, or from K we're going to keep on going and we're going to connect to this petal right there. So I'm going to do that now. And the same thing on this side, we're going to go with L and we're going to keep on going to that other petal. There. And then finally, L, M, and N. Now we're going to do the third flower. So A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to stop there, and you know what? I'm going to go back to A through N and connect back to E. Now from E, let's continue on, and we're going to go all the way up to I. And then down to J. Okay. L, and keep on going to this petal here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here to J, and I want to keep on going with this petal, and I'm actually going to connect to this one someplace over here. So you could have done this first. And then finally from L, M, N. And you know what? I'm going to do another one right back here. Now we can go and draw our stems into the vase. And let's draw a leaf too. Now I'm going to draw the other stem on my second flower right up to the vase. And the other line right here. Good. Now let's draw a leaf here too. So I'm going to start right about up there, and I'm going to curve around and down to the vase, and then I'm going to do the other side now. Just like this. I'm going to draw the leaf on this last flower first, because I want this one to fold over. So just like this, I'm going to be showing it curving downwards. Up and over. And it's going to connect to itself. Just like that. And now I'm going to finish off by drawing its stem from the leaf. And now I'm going to finish by drawing the other side of the vase behind the flowers. And that's it, we're done drawing. It's time to color. As always, you can color your picture however you want. You don't have to use the same colors that I'm using. But if you want to, on my first flower, I'm using a cream and pink and I'm blending them together. Now I'm going to use 2 different types of yellows for my second flower, and I'm blending them together as well. As you can see, I'm coloring and blending each petal first before I move on to the next one. And for my last flower, I'm making it a pinky purple color, so I have 2 pinky purple markers, a light one and a dark one, and I'm going to blend them together, 1 petal at a time. Now for the stems and the leaves, I've got 2 colors here too, a light green and a dark green. The light one is going to be for my base color, and the darker one for shadows, and I'm going to blend them together. And as a final step, I'm adding a gray for shadows on my vase. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these tulips in vase with me. We'll see you in the next drawing video. Bye!